Hello class, this is Robert Smith coming from MDF1 term 1310, and this is my Project 3 reflection video. This week we were working with MapKit, and we were tasked with building a tabbed application with two tabs, the first of which holds a table view with 10 businesses, and clicking on a cell will transfer you to a new view with a map in the top portion of the page and some labels on the bottom displaying information about the business you clicked on. The second tab needed to contain a full screen map with all of the annotations of your businesses from the table view. So we'll look at a little bit of first we'll look at the map, or the actual application, while it's running. So this is instead of doing 10 different businesses, I basically used one business name and am using it, as you see in the subtitles, the different locations where I have the latitude and longitude set for that location. I just thought this made more sense. Like if you were building an app for your business, this would definitely be a small part of the app. But as you can see, if you click on that's one issue. For the very first time you click on an item in the table view, it doesn't pick up the latitude and longitude and the center and span. You have to click the back button and click on it again, but once after that first time, it never does that again. But I don't know what's causing that to do it. I don't know what's causing it to do that. But as you can see, you click on a New York location and it's centered over New York with a pin, and you click on the pin and you get Robbie's Bar and Grill, New York location, and they also have that same information displayed in the labels down below. Indianapolis location, St. Louis location, and it's the same deal for everything. And then this is, you can edit this and it will still go to Indianapolis if you click Indianapolis. And then the second tab, this is all of the locations, and you click on it. You click on an annotation and it will display the title and subtitle of that annotation. Okay, it wasn't too difficult this week. Getting my head around the process of creating a new region, location, or however you want to say it. It was a little bit complicated at first, but I got used to it pretty quick. As you can see, this is in the code in my table view. This is me creating an instance of the business class and setting the name and setting the city. And down here is where I created the pins, and then this is a singleton to transfer the information across views. Pretty simple, like I said this week. I wouldn't call it simple, but nothing too difficult. If there's definitely something that I could have done better, when I first started making all the business objects and making the actual objects, I didn't know exactly what I was going to put in as for the businesses, and the idea for just to use one company and have separate locations across the country that came later. So something I could have done better is having another view that would have two buttons like a view that would just display Robbie's Bar and Grill, view list of locations, or view all locations. Just because the way that it would just look better if it wasn't a tabbed application. And well, I guess that was a requirement, but it just looks funny starting out at this page. But I think I could have made it flow a little bit better. But yeah, that's about it. I think I met all the requirements for the project, and I will try to make it to the hangout on Tuesday. Alright, thanks for watching.